You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. So my dear friends, last time we used this Raspberry Pi OS 32 normal, and you see the screen, and I am getting everything on it: browser, programming, coding, as well as the TV monitors are working, and auto connection of the Wi-Fi is there. No extra cable is needed for the router. You can play games, whatever you want. So it is very easy. YouTube, etc. you can watch. So many programs you can use it for: internet, programming, coding, like that. So now we will move how to program it for Windows 10. So we will need a SD card above 64 GB. 32 will also work, but better to choose above 64 GB. A new card we have to use. That card we will keep it. We can change both. Whatever program we want to see, just change the card. So we will make another SD card duly programmed for Windows 10. And that software is called WOR, Windows on Raspberry Pi, WOR. So that software will work for Windows 10, and the complete name is WOR, www.warprojects.ml. So now first we will move to the previous one, Raspberry Pi. Same Raspberry Pi we will use. Just switch it off and take the card out, and then we will use another card. We will format that card first. I used 128 GB card to get the more capacity, but there is only one or two drawbacks for Windows 10. Now we'll download the program for Windows 10. You know, in Windows 10, when we will use this card for Windows 10, it will need extra cable, LAN cable, to connect with the router of your Wi-Fi at your home. A small box is there, you have to connect it there. But be careful, after switching it off, we have to work with this Raspberry Pi. We will take that card out, put new card in our card reader and connect it to the computer, but after, not before. Be careful. During installation, in between we will insert the card. not before. I will tell you when to insert this card after formatting it in our computer. No need to insert it in starting. After downloading the softwares, I will tell you step by step at what time we have to insert this card in our computer. So this is okay now. Just we will move towards our software. So as a fresh lesson you take it. Use this Raspberry Pi. See, we select the system, Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit, the previous one card. We did it like that. Then we select that card, 16 GB or something like that. So now it is obsolete. Forget about it. We are going to install a new thing on a new card. This Windows 10. So all the features will come. Microsoft Office, Windows 10, whatever you want to do. But don't load the heavy softwares because it doesn't work so fast. Editing, AutoCAD, CAD, KineMaster, this and that, it doesn't work so fast. Hang it up. So see, I am searching for the word software. I have written this stwwwarproject.ml/downloads. So I will open it. It is not war, it is war, okay? So now it is opening. Here we come on this screen and we will download. But before downloads, it will ask a lot of things from you. Questions, find the image, are you robot, CAPTCHA, and this and that. So you just keep continue replying that. In my case, it is already downloaded, so therefore it didn't ask. Then you have to sign up in it. So next time it will not ask anything, like in my case. So now we will come which software. This is the latest version. Download version 2.2.2. Windows on Raspberry Pi Imager. So we need to download it first and do nothing. First only download. We will not install. We will install it after, in second step. We have to download only. So I will click, and the card no need to insert at this time. After, I will tell you when the card you have to insert. Just work on your computer at the moment. Forget about Raspberry. We have to download this Raspberry Pi Imager in our new card. And disable your virus software if any. Sometimes it disturb it, make problem to get installation, downloading the program. So disable your virus software. Now see, it has been downloaded here in a zip file format. So just keep it like this. Now we will download one more file which will be needed for this war. So we will come to Windows Images, getting Windows Images. So that is another file. See, UUP dump. Now this program we need to download. Okay, not other one. For Windows, UUP dump file we will download. So I am moving very slow, step by step. Here you need to select the first latest public release 64, ARM64. So from here we will select it, ARM64. Forget about others. So it has come here, feature update to Windows 10 version, this one. This ARM64. So then it will ask what language you want. Next, like this. English. Now better to select Windows Pro. Here they are showing both. So I preferred Windows Pro. It has more features than Windows Home and didn't ask anything. So download UUP set, download and convert to ISO. So create download package. So one more zip file will be downloaded. Just watch, you will see. So another file program has been downloaded. This file, from this zip file, there is a one file which we will drag into the War release. So the icons will be there on our computer, and we will go there and open one by one. First we will open the second file, not War, this below one. We will install this one first, because we will need a file of this folder in our War project download file. So this we have unzipped. Now we will see what to do. UUP download, click it and it will start installation. I will show you that file. Now this is a very long process, may take 1 hour, and you need to wait till this 0 doesn't appear at the bottom. Press that 0 and finish. Now you will see this file will appear in our unzipped folder. If you will see it, this file is there. You see one more file has come, this one. So take care of it, or better copy paste to your desktop, because we need to drag it afterwards. Just paste, bring it to your desktop, so that it will be easy to drag it when we will start with the WOR project folder, that zip folder. We will open that zip folder after copy paste of this file. Now it is okay. Now we will go to the WOR file, and we can insert our SD card also. Now to start with the WOR file, writing on our SD card. So insert your card now, but check it, you have to format that card. Of course it also format. So we will unzip it, extract it. So window release, now it has come here. We will open it and select a folder to get it installed. Here it is, WOR. So we will open it and start installation. In starting, it will also ask the same thing, English. Here to select the card, 128 GB. Don't select COD, otherwise it will remove everything from your CND. Next, in the next part, we will drag that file from our desktop which we saved, and we will put it here, button or dropped, and drop the file here. So it will start immediately mounting the ISO image. So we are here now. We have to select a lot of things. Like this, we will select Windows 10 Pro, not Home, because it has got extra features. Now nothing to do, just select at the top, use the latest package available for everything, driver, firmware. Select this, use the latest package available on the server. Nothing to do, just select, yeah, again, next. Now this is okay, next. Now it will start installation. See, getting ready. It will also take now our card is inside the computer, remember it. The formatted card we inserted before installing this software WOR. So everything will be in your, it is writing in your SD card. So after completion we will insert our card in our Raspberry Pi and connect it to the supply, connect the router cable, and you will see on it the screen will appear like this. But first must Wi-Fi router should be connected with your LAN cable with the Wi-Fi. So it will go like this. You will see connect the external speaker also. This is the problem in Windows 10. The two things you have to connect externally. So if you will see this ring rotating, means it is going to be installed. Windows 10 through Raspberry Pi on your laptop, computer, through your SD card. So it will also take time, 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on your machine, your computer. So let us create account. So it will also ask create a password for Microsoft. It will also ask for PIN, the country, region, your date of birth, and so. Create a PIN for easy signing in to Microsoft Office, and you can run anything in it. But my dear friends, in starting it goes very slow. You need patience, but slowly, gradually it comes up. But it doesn't work on the so many softwares programming like AutoCAD, KineMaster, video editing, this and that, OBS Studio to make the videos. So the normal features only. Microsoft Office, you can get it. YouTube, you will get it. Excel, you will get it. Means which is basically used up to the 12th standard of the students. Good for them to learn the things, how to use the computer, start up with the computer. So this Raspberry Pi can be used. Now you see I have opened the YouTube, just enjoying a movie. That you can also do so. So it is like that. But you need very much patience for it. So gentlemen, we will meet in our next part with something new for the Raspberry Pi. Till that time, enjoy and watch. Bye bye.